Hello guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. Now, as we are preparing for the 7-day challenge of uploading videos daily on our channels, some of you have asked that is there any perfect time to upload videos on YouTube? Now, there's no perfect time, but there's a better time to upload on your channel. So today's video, I'm going to guide you, give you an idea of the best time you can upload on your channel. So right here, I have on my channel's analytics. If you go to your channel's analytics, go down to the audience, then you scroll up to when your viewers are on YouTube. So this is where you can find when your viewers on YouTube. So one good thing about uploading at the right time, that is when your viewers are on YouTube, is that it helps in your click-through rate. Just imagine you uploaded your video at a particular time and like nobody care about your videos. You get the point. So you would like to upload your videos when your viewers or when your audience are on YouTube. So that is the best time. So if you open your YouTube analytics and go under your audience, you will see when your viewers are on YouTube. So on this graph, you can see that there are the brighter parts and the darker parts. So the brighter parts are when your audience, that is on your own analytics, it will be totally different from what you are seeing on mine right now. So the brighter part right here on my analytics is when my viewers or when my audience are on YouTube. So if I want to upload a video on this channel, I need to upload it within this period, within those bars, that is between 1 p.m. down to around 9 p.m. You get the point. So but if I upload videos on my channel around 1 p.m., somewhere around this time, all these areas, you see that fewer people will watch my videos if I upload it. And one good thing about YouTube recommendation is that when your click-through rate is high during the initial hours of upload, it will make the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos more. So that shows that people are interested in the topic of the video you just uploaded. But when you upload your video when your audience are not there and nobody is clicking to watch your video, it sends a wrong signal to the algorithm. So the algorithm always have that interest of the activities of your videos in the early hours of you uploading it on your channel. So for example, if I upload my videos, like if I want to upload my videos, I need to upload it within this period between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. my local time. So as you can see, from Sunday to Saturdays, my audience are always online towards the evening period. So if I want to upload videos, I should upload it within that period, within the brightest part of the graph. Now yours could be different. Yours could be maybe 12 a.m. or so. So make sure that you target uploading your videos within this brighter part. Now I know some of you might not be seeing this graph on your analytics. I'm going to come to that much later. There's an exception to this particular graph. Like for example, if your audience are coming from the wrong places or you are having the wrong audience on your channel, I talked about you're making an African content, and surprisingly you are seeing people from other countries like India, Afghanistan, and all those Asian countries watching your content, while your kind of content doesn't even relate to them. So that means that you are having the wrong audience on your channel, and it will definitely affect the engagement and the performance of your channel in general. So now in this case, before you start taking note of or you start implementing your upload based on this graph, you need to go back to your audience tab, then check where your audience are coming from. Like in my own case, my audiences are from Nigeria, United States, UK, India, Ghana, Canada. So like based on my channel and the kind of content I make, I think these geographies are very okay, because I know majority of the people watching my videos will probably be Nigerians, some in the diaspora and other parts of the of Africa. So if your audience, or where your audience are watching from, is totally different from what you're expecting, just like I said earlier, you are doing an African content that should be consumed by Africans, and you are seeing Asians watching most of your videos, or your audience coming from Asian countries. So that could be a big problem if you implement your upload based on the graph you see here. So definitely that means everything is totally different. So what I will suggest is this: you can just find a way of resolving this by your own, or you study your analytics. After a good period of time, you can know what works best on your channel. Now, coming to those of you that are not seeing this particular graph, probably you are seeing something like not enough data for this particular analytics or something like that. So if you're seeing something like no enough data, another idea or how to find out a better or the best time to upload on your channel is to go back to your overview, then scroll to the end. You will see the read time, 48 hours read time. So with this 48-hour read time, it will give you an idea of when people are watching your videos, or when your audience are online on YouTube in the past 48 hours. So you can use this as a guess to know when is the right time on your channel. That is, if you don't have the other graph on your analytics. So right here, like on my channel, just like the previous graph that we seen before, you can see that like if this place I click, like in the PMs, like in the afternoon, evenings, I have my audience online. So that's why you see that the graph is high around this period. Then if you check around the early hours, which is something like 3 a.m. 2 a.m., those early hours, you can see that right on this 48 hours graph, you can see that my audience are not online within this period. So this is like a reflection of the other graph. So if you're not seeing, if there's no enough data to show you your analytics on the other graph, then you can use this 48 hours to track, to know when best to upload. So when you should be uploading based on this 48-hour graph is when the graph is highest. When the graph is highest, like as you can see on my own, you can see I have 4 p.m. 2 p.m. that is in the afternoon, evening time. That is when most of my audience are on YouTube. So that is the best time for me to upload. So you check your 48 hours views. From this graph, you can have an idea of when to upload on your channel. So now, in my own opinion, the way I normally do this is I normally upload like 2 hours before my audience are online, and in most cases it has been working for me. So the reason why I do this is that I believe when I upload my videos like 1 hour or 2 hours before my audience starts coming on YouTube, anytime they open their YouTube app, my videos will be shown on their home feed. So it is now left for them to click to watch if the topic of my video interests them. Now, if you're not getting enough data on your YouTube channel, analytics, this is a reason why you must join the 7-day challenge, because this shows that you don't have good relationship with the YouTube algorithm, because it's just like YouTube, but the YouTube algorithm doesn't know you, because the YouTube algorithm works with data. If there's no enough data about your channel or about your videos on YouTube, definitely the YouTube algorithm might find it difficult to recommend your videos to people who are interested in them. So when you upload more videos, and if they are well niched, YouTube will also recommend those videos to people interested in them. And the more people that are interested in your videos, the more recommendations that YouTube will also make on your videos. So please join me on the 14th of April, that is next Monday. We'll be starting the 7-day challenge in this community, and just like I said, I'll be sharing some helpful tips in the coming days, heading towards the main day, so that you have an idea of how you can create your content and some things you need to avoid while uploading during this 7-day challenge. So if this video was helpful, you know the right thing to do. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with other creators who might probably be wondering the right time to upload on their channel, and if they are not seeing enough data on their analytics, they can also find this particular metrics that they can use for to improvise in getting the actual time to upload on their channel. So let's continue this conversation in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.